Easy way to monitor the CPU temperature on Windows 10 or 11. For this, you'll be needing an external application, Core Temp. So go ahead and search for it and download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded the file, so let's go and install it. For this, tap on Run and then tap on Next. Here, tap on I agree the agreement and then tap on Next. Once again, you can change the file location if you want. Press on next, and the last step is to press on install, then next, then install and finish. So once you do that, there you will find a notepad opening. You can cross it because this is the main one that we need. So right here, as you can see, there are a lot of degrees Celsius mentioned right here, and it is actually showing you the temperature of each processor, also the load in each processor. And just like that, you'll be able to monitor your CPU temperature, and it will also notify if your CPU is overheating. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.